In a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6534, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, warned that it is not lawful for a Muslim to abandon another Muslim for more than 3 days. This applies to those who abandon other Muslims for worldly reasons. Even though it is lawful to abandon someone over a religious reason, it is far superior to maintain ties with them and continue the duty of kindly commanding good and forbidding evil according to the teachings of Islam. This behavior will be far more effective in encouraging the sinful to sincerely repent to Allah, the Exalted, than abandoning them. A Muslim should continue to help others in matters of good and forbid them from matters which are bad. Chapter 5 Al-Ma'idah, verse 2.
And cooperate in righteousness and piety, but do not cooperate in sin and aggression.
Muslims have been commanded to unite and not separate from each other, as unity leads to strength. The companions, may Allah be pleased with them, were few in number, but as they remained united, they overcame entire nations. Unfortunately, not fulfilling this important duty is one of the reasons why the general strength of the Muslims has weakened over time, even though their number has increased. In worldly matters, Muslims have been given 3 days where they can avoid another Muslim. The reason for this concession is that controlling one's anger can be difficult, and most people require time in order to achieve this, and time to realize the worldly issue is not worth severing ties over. Those who struggle to control their anger should take advantage of this concession and avoid the one they are angry with, as one often does and says things while angry which leads to further problems in both worlds. Islam is perfectly suited to the mentality of humans, and therefore takes this into consideration when setting out a code of conduct. The one who abandons other Muslims for more than 3 days over worldly issues should fear that they may well be abandoned by the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, as one is treated by Allah, the Exalted, according to how they treat others. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 7376. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.